Okay, so you've bought a product Enterprise Eagle, and you may have noticed the inside of the pods, these are the wrong color. Well, it took a few days, but I figured out how to take it apart. I'll just show you. Turn it over, and the retros should gently twist off. If not, run a knife under them to separate them from the girder. Then you'll see a screw here. Undo the screw. That leaves the girders. Now they may need to be separated gently with a scalpel here and here and along the front as well. Okay, mine's already done, so it's simple. Put under here, gently prise it apart. Should come off reasonably quick, but it's been awkward today. It's because I painted it. Nope, it's not coming apart. Nope, stop. Before. Okay, thanks very much.